Good evening, guys. Today I'm going to explain regarding the assignment. Okay, a member of COVID-19 task force claims that the amount of variable X influences the decrement of variable Y. Okay, so it's regarding COVID data. You can see that there are two kind of variable X and variable Y. Okay, for each of you the variable X and variable Y is going to be differ. Okay, we will see that later in a while. We will see that. So for you to justify this claim, you need to examine certain things. So these are the items you need to examine. You you do a scatter plot, you compute the Pearson coefficient, and also you find the regression line. Based on these three items, explain briefly your findings and try to justify the claim. That's how we're going to do that. The due date for your assignment is 15 January. Okay, by the earlier you send to me, it's better for me to go through your answer. So by 15 January, after 15 January, no answer script will be accepted. 0 marks will be given to the assignment. Note, just now I told you each one of you will have variable X and variable Y, different variable X and different variable Y. All this data we are going to collect from this website. Let's say you have finished your assignment, you have completed the answer script. You can send to me in PDF file. Okay, only PDF, no image, no word, only PDF to my WhatsApp or email. This is my email. Listen to me. Now let us look at how we're going to collect the data, variable X and variable Y. Each one of you I already assigned the variable X and variable Y. There are 10 groups. Okay, there are 10 groups. For example, group 1 here you can see variable X is daily fully vaccinated people, and variable Y is daily COVID-19 cases for adults only. In adults, daily COVID cases in adult category. Okay, and the time interval between the variable X and Y is 7 days. What is this? I will explain in a while. Okay, so let us how we're going to collect the data here. We're going to go through this website here. Okay. Okay, so this is the website where we're going to collect all the data. First of all, you can see that there's a vaccination data, death data, ventilation, ICU, hospitalization cases. So for the first category, if you notice here, variable X is daily fully vaccinated people. Go here. Daily vaccinated people. For Afri Saul, he will handle Johor data. So daily fully vaccinated people for Johor data. Click here Johor and go down. Click here 2 months enough. So here is all the data for daily fully vaccinated people. Okay, so I prefer all of you to start from 1st November. Okay, 1st November. Your first data for the X is 1st November. Okay, if you have any problem, please let me know. Okay, so make sure all of you start from 1st November until we only want 14 data. So you may use this kind of table here. Anyway, this would be the first page of your answer script. Name, metric number, section, date. Date is the date when you submit to me. Okay, when you completed the answer script, that date you write here, not starting date. And group 1, for example here, Afrisa ul Johos, so I put here Joho. Variable y axis, my variable x is daily fully vaccinated people, and my variable y is, if you want you can italic this. Okay, italic this, and maybe but anyway, up to you, I'll leave it to you. And for y is daily COVID cases in adult category. So let's say 1st November fully vaccinated people 2975, right here 2975, down here, right there, 1st November 2021. Okay, I want you to write this, November. And then for first data done, second data is fully vaccinated 6301, am I right? 6301 fully vaccinated. The one I'm doing is for Johor. Different state have different data. Alright, like that you need to do until 14, only 2 weeks we're going to analyze. Okay, and then for variable y, as I told you before, the time interval between variable x and y is 7 days. So for the first data, if you want to take the first data for the variable y, make sure it is plus 7 November. Okay, time interval is 7. So where should I find this daily COVID cases in adult category? You go for cases here, make sure it is Johor, then go down, see cases by age group. Okay, cases by age group. Just now you want 8 November, so go here, yours is adult. 8 November, you can see here adult is 18 plus. 18 plus is here 48. Okay, take the 60 plus 48 plus 245. 48 plus 245 is 293. Okay, 293. So right here 293. And then this one, next one is continue 9 November. November, and then for 9 November, go back to the thing. 9 November is 44 plus 247, 291. Go here 291, and so on. You have to find all these things. Okay, for 14 data here. After that you can analyze, because we have done correlation and regression, you can analyze all these things. But before that, to prove that you have taken the data from as a proof, for you to show me that yes, you are taking the data from this website, I need some proof. So you need to take some screenshot. Okay, so that I take the screenshot and attach to your answer like a appendix, the last page. So what you have to do here, go for vaccination just now, Vaccination Johor. Just now you took 1st November, isn't it? You can see here 1st November. I just want to see the date. Okay, you see 1st November, you put your cursor here, 1st November. Just now you have written 2975. Alright, so I can see that 1st November 2975, and also I can see the date here 17 December. Okay, make sure you have refreshed the page. You see this is refreshing the page, you get the latest data here. Okay, go back here, and we want 2 months only. 2 months only. Okay, put here the cursor 1 November 2975. I can see the figure, I can see the date 17 December on the right top corner. You take a screenshot of this. You take the screenshot of this page here, this one, and attach in your answer script. So I know that this is the proof that at least I know that you are taking the data from here. Okay, same goes for the case. Just now go for the first go for 2 months. 2 months is here already, the cases is here. Just now you take from 8 November, you put the cursor here. Okay, 8 November you put the cursor here, or if you want to make it bigger also can. COVID cases by age group, you want to make it like this, but it's too big. Anyway, it's okay like this. Okay, whichever way, I just need to know, I just need the screenshot of the website. So 8 November you go there, 8 November I can see the number 48 plus 245. Okay, 48 plus 245 for the first data. Just now we compute, and I can see the date here 17 December. You screenshot this. So these two screenshot must be there in your answer script. Okay, you don't need to do for each and every day. You just take first day is enough. Okay, at least first day. From the graph I know, I can approximately know your date there. Okay, all right. That is regarding collecting the data. So that is for group 1. Okay, group 1. Now how about group 2? So after Afrisaul do for Johor, and then Ahmad Roshri will do the same thing for Kedah, Kelantan. Is Ahmad Saiful all the way. 14 people will do for different state. Okay. For group 2, again fully vaccinated people, but now it is adults, different category. The Y value is different category, no? Okay, different category. Maybe the date, I prefer all of you do 1st November, so no changes in the date. Do as fast as possible before the data gone. So for the variable X, I think it's the same thing. Okay, fully vaccinated people, same thing. It's just for variable Y now, adults. You go back to the 8 November. 8 November here you can see that adult is 12 to 17, isn't it? So you can see here 16. So November, 8 November is 16. 9 November. 9 is 8 is 16. 9 also 16. Okay. So you will go all the way for group 2. Right here group 2, and do all the way the same thing. How about group 3? Group 3 is almost same with group 1, but you will choose daily partially vaccinated people. Where to find the partially vaccinated people? Go for vaccination. Okay. So now you understand that each one of you we have a different state. So how to change the state? You just click here and choose your state to get the data. Okay, group 3. Group 3 is partially. I'm doing Johor again. So this is for who? Group 3. Who is Johor? Maishara. So for Maishara, if you want to, she want to take partially vaccinated people. So go here. You take November, 1st November. Partially vaccinated people is the dark green, which is 717. Okay, so here not daily fully vaccinated people is partially, and this is going to be 717. Okay, 717. And 2nd November I do a little bit further, 486. And what is the why thing is adult daily COVID cases in adult. That was is almost similar to the previous one. Go for cases. Of course you have to take the screenshot just now. And adult 8 November is 48 plus 2 48 plus 245 293. So right here 293. And November is 44 plus 247 291. And so on. Then you will get the data. Alright, that is for group 3. We have done group 3. Okay, and then group 4, again partially vaccinated. Go for Dalson. I think after this you guys know how to do this. Okay, it's just you have to choose the right group in the thing. Group 4. And for group 5, group 4 is almost the same thing. Okay, I suppose you know what to do. Partially is same. And for Dalson, just now 16, and you can check 16 just now. Group 4. This is group 4. 16 and 16 we saw that just now. For group 5, you take the fully vaccinated people. Fully vaccinated people just now was okay. I'm doing all for Johor. You can other students can change the same method but change the state. That's all. Fully vaccinated people, vaccination. Go for vaccination. Johor fully vaccination. Fully vaccination is light. I don't know. There are 3 types of green. Okay, we can see here. 2975. 2975. And this one would be 6301. And for group 5, the Y variable is total population. No more category, no more until group 4 there's adults and adults. Now total population you take all. So where to take all? For group 5 little bit different. Okay, no need to go by age. Go for cases. And group go for 2 months. Okay, and you can see the daily cases here. Okay, this one. No need to go by age anymore. No need to plus everything. Just take from here. Daily COVID cases here. So daily COVID cases you have to take 8 November. 8 November. Choose 8 November. Cases is 302 right here. 302. And then for November, 9 November, 9 November is 385. 385. Okay, so don't forget to take the screenshot. Only two screenshot you have to take for variable x and variable y, and attach in the answer script. So this is group 5. Okay, this is group 5. For group 6, okay, this is, we are done with section 1 now. Done section 1 now. We are going for section 2. In section 2 you can see group 6, partially vaccinated people and daily COVID cases, total population is almost the same thing. Total population going to be remain same. Okay, and but you are going to take the partially. Just now fully, just now group 5 was fully vaccinated. Now group 6 is partially vaccinated. Partially vaccinated. Go back to the thing. Vaccination. 1st November. Partially vaccinated 717. And 486. Okay, this continue with the data. And who else? This is group 6. Now group 7. For group 7, fully vaccinated, just now fully vaccinated was 2975, and this one is number 2 is oh sorry, I forgot to mention something here. I forgot to mention the major thing. For fully vaccinated, you will take 7 days interval. Okay, for fully vaccinated, you will take 7 days interval for group 1 and group 2. Okay, now for group 3, for group 3, I forgot to mention this. So daily partially vaccination people. Okay, daily partially vaccinated people, that is number 1, 717. And number 2, 486. And daily COVID-19 cases adult. So this is partially vaccinated. The time interval is 12 days. So you cannot write here 8 November. This actually should be 13 November and so on, 14 November. So you take 13 and 14 November data, exactly what we did just now. So if you go to cases, 13 November, if 13 November is here, 13 November is 53 plus 3 is that going to be 360. So you write here 360, and the other one is 14, 366. Sorry, I didn't realize this. Okay, so you don't do the same mistake. Make sure you write like this. So for partially vaccinated people is always 12 days. Okay, group 4 also take note. Just now maybe I give the wrong information. Is whenever you see fully vaccinated, your time interval should be 7 days. Whenever you see partially vaccinated, time interval should be 12 days. This one fully vaccinated, time interval should be 7 days. Okay, now partially vaccinated. Okay, and then this is 12 days. Okay, that we are still here. Daily COVID cases, total population. Total population is the same, not the same thing. Total population for daily COVID cases is here. this one. So 13 is 549. So right here 549. 432. Fully vaccinated people. For now, group 6 done. Okay, group 6 done. This is supposed to be group 6. Okay. Now for group 7, fully vaccinated. Okay, again fully vaccinated. Fully vaccinated, and now hospitalization. Okay, different thing. Daily hospitalization you will take in terms of percentage now. Okay, fully vaccinated, I told you 7 time interval 7 days. So this one is fully vaccinated. Go back to vaccination. Don't forget to take the screenshot. Fully 2975. 2975. The next one is six three zero one. And daily hospitalization. Okay, fully vax. You can go back to here, click hospitalization, and is it make sure okay, this one you don't need to click any state, it is there, all the state is here, and we are going for Johor, isn't it? Okay, so in Johor, daily hospitalization for fully vax, you can see here fully vax population. You want for which date? You want for 13 November, not 13. This is 7 days interval. 7 days interval means your date should be here 88, and this one should be 9. Okay, be careful with the intervals. And this one you go for 8 November is here. Fully vax population percentage is 78.81. 78.81. Okay, that is one. And for November, (78.91). 78.9. You take the percentage for group. What is this group? What? Group 7. Yeah, and so on. Okay, that is group 7. Group 8 is what? Group 8 is did I do any mistake here? Daily fully vaccinated people. Okay, and then yeah, okay. Fully vaccinated, partially vaccinated people. Yeah, okay. So for group 8 is variable X is partially vaccinated people. This is group 8. And group the Y population is this one, partially vaccinated. Seven one seven. And 2486. But this is partially vaccinated, so you cannot use 8 anymore. You can treat 13, 12 days. And for partially hospitalization, go back to hospitalization. partially you want 30 November, isn't it? 30 November partially vaccinated 79.45 right here, 79.45, and then am I looking at the Johor? Yeah. And then 14 November is 80.75. 80.75. This is group 8. Okay, and then for group 9, I suppose daily fully vaccinated people, you know how to find it. Okay, daily fully vaccinated people, let me finish this anyway. Fully vaccinated people 2975. This is group 9 I'm doing. 2975. Six three zero one. Of course, you have to change the heading. Yes, no more partially. It's fully. Yeah, I don't want to. Yes, I don't want to do. Now, fully vaccinated. Change the time interval. And what is this? Daily ventilation. So go back here. Ventilation now. In the ventilation, you can see for Johor, daily fully vax. So we want for 8 November. 8 November fully vax is 78.81. 81 for November. 78.91. Okay, this is how you do. And the last one is daily partially vaccinated people. Just now we saw already how much that would be. Partially vaccinated people, right there, 717. Okay, this is 717, and number 2 partially 486, and you have to choose ventilation, partially ventilation. Go for partially, and this is partially ventilation, so change the duration. It must be 12 days. 13, 14, 13 is 80.74, 80.74, and 14 is 80.75. Not much difference anyway, but you guys need to draw and come to a conclusion. All right, this is how you take all the data, and I want you to do like this, exactly like this. Okay, all this information must be there. This is for the first page of your assignment. After this, I leave it to you how you're going to answer to justify the claim. Okay, so all you have to do is, I will attach all these things to you. Okay, I will attach, and give me a nice presentation. You may use you can type your answer, or you may use your handwriting to answer this thing, and then save it as a PDF. Okay, save it as a PDF and send to me in WhatsApp or email. Alright, I think that's all regarding the assignment. Any other thing, let me double check. Anything I'm missing. Anything I'm missing? I don't think so. If you guys have any problem, you always can contact me regarding these things. And before that, please see the video again and again in case if you don't understand anything. All right. With that, that's all regarding the assignment. Okay. I will send all these things right away so that you can see and start do your assignment. All right. If anything I forgot to tell regarding the assignment, I will update you. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye.